Every scoop of chocolate ice cream begins with simple, natural ingredients: fresh milk and cocoa.
High-quality milk starts on well-managed dairy farms. Milk is collected efficiently and safely.
Fresh milk is immediately cooled to preserve its quality. Modern milking systems focus on hygiene, comfort, and consistency.
The milk is quickly transported to ice cream facilities.
Cocoa beans are harvested and prepared for processing.
Roasting develops the deep chocolate flavor.
Chocolate flavor begins with cocoa, grown in warm climates.
Milk and chocolate are blended to create a rich ice cream mix. At the factory, milk becomes the base for ice cream.
Pasteurization ensures safety and consistency. At this stage, the chocolate ice cream base is ready for freezing. The chocolate mixture now enters industrial freezers, where cooling begins the transformation into ice cream. Inside these machines, freezing and gentle churning happen simultaneously.
Air is carefully added to create the smooth, light texture ice cream is known for. This precise process gives ice cream its creamy structure.
Additional chocolate elements may be added to enhance flavor.
Once frozen, the ice cream is shaped into its final form. Every container is filled to exact standards.
Branding and product information are applied automatically.
Sealing protects the ice cream from temperature and air exposure.
Every unit is inspected before storage.
Deep freezing locks in texture and flavor.
Now fully frozen, the ice cream is ready for distribution.
In frozen warehouses, temperature control is critical to maintaining quality.
The journey continues across regions and climates.
Distribution centers ensure steady supply to retailers. Cold chain transport keeps the ice cream frozen from factory to store.
The final step of the journey happens at home.
From distribution hubs, plants report, chrome and chows, ice cream reaches local stores.
A smooth texture created through careful freezing and mixing. The journey begins with nature and ends with enjoyment.
Rich flavor, smooth texture, carefully crafted. From farm to freezer, every step matters.
Thanks for watching.